Live moss bunker on. There's a lot of baits around underneath me here. Pull backwards. Come on. Try to get my nose into this wind. What is this? It feels very heavy, but it's on the surface. Bounce like a tuna now. That's not a shark. Oh. Suddenly woken up. Oh, there's so much bait underneath me. Small yellowfin tuna, but I'll take it. I haven't had sushi for a long time, so I'm pretty stoked with it. Not even gonna go for it. Idiot. Idiot. I can't believe I did that. Yo, I cannot believe I did that. What an idiot. Well, that's a lucky tuna. Lucky tuna, should I say? What? Thought I could grab it by the tail and not damage the meat. And I lost it. Back to serve. So much bait on this finder. Couple of moss bunkers. That's what I just got the last pull on. So, definitely eat in there. Oh, I can't believe I did that. I cannot believe I did that. I should have just put the gas in him. Oh, that was a nice stutter there gone to waste. I still have a nice little red eye. Look at this red eye sardine. Beautiful bait. That's some stuff off and get better. Got here, but it Ate a live marspunk. I think these are really small tuna. Maybe make up for the one I just lost. Going on here. Another little yellowfin tuna, probably the same size as the one I just lost. I'm not going to take a chance this time. No, I'll get them right. What I should have done with the last one. It's not a big fish, but yo, these things are strong, incredibly strong for their size. Oh, and they just pinwheel. All sorts of direction changes under your boat. Look at that. Come on. There we go. Finally a little yellowfin. Look at that circle look, eh? Doing what it does best. Perfect. So tonight I eat sushi. Nice little yellow vein. Beautiful. Go, another little baity, another live bait. sitting here off Tinley Manor. It's on the KZN North Coast. Been quite a few tuna around here. There's a lot of the bait just seems to be holding here. So that's kind of why I decided to come and sit here. A friend of mine's been getting a few tuna in the mornings. So I've taken a day's leave and it's paid off. Even though it's a small tuna, I actually should have had two. Stupidly lost that other one trying to grab it with my hands. I'm caught on this little rail here and then just parted me straight off as it took off. That's silly. I don't know where those big tuna have gone. We used to catch some those 20 to 25 kilo tuna. They've just disappeared for the last few years. They just have not been here. I don't know. These ones are really small that we're getting. These are between 6 and 10 kilos, you know. Once again, the mouse bacon. Hey. That didn't take too long. That I can see. Not a big fish. Whoa, there's a whale jumping there. Whoa. Come on. Yo. It's a whale jumping about. Oh. A bit better. Whale jumping there, but oh, there he is again, just coming straight out the water. Probably about a K away, but yo, impressive. This actually feels like a bit of a better one now. Come on. You can see the tip of my rod, I don't know. I'll try to turn it around. Look at that bouncing. Typical tuna, constantly bouncing while you fight them. Oh, this is definitely a bit of a better one. Still not a monster, but definitely going to be bigger than the other one. Yep, that's what happens when you're naughty, tuna. That's what happens when you're naughty. No, it was a good hook. Look at that, once again, right in the scissors. Perfect. In the scissors. Okay. And another nice eating size tuna. Bleeding it properly, you can't believe the difference in quality when you bleed a fish. Okay, this guy is friend. So the red eye sardine finally went. Supposed to was waiting for that. Oh. Need a bit of a service on this reel. It's not sounding too clever. Caught up with my other line here. So I think the secret to that was I had that bait pinned in the nose, and which means it swims more on the surface. So I pinned it on the back. It's a very soft skin, but I pinned it on the back just like I've been doing with the mast bunkers, and I got the bite. So obviously they're wanting, or they're taking the baits a little bit deeper. Definitely the bigger one of the lot, this one. Not saying it's massive, but definitely bigger than the last lot. Well, definitely fighting a bit harder. Cool. Fish are incredibly strong, man. Oh. This one swallowed the hook right down. Yeah, I mean it's not a massive fish, but yo, you can see how that gave an account for itself.